Hello everyone, I am Titi Agrawal, Solutions Engineer at Athena Intelligence. We are building an enterprise AI analyst for Fortune 500s. Let's say we have two types of documents here. One is a New York style manual, which is a massive 300-page document with tons of rules and regulations, whereas another one is a more structured document which contains financial transactions for a leased property. Enterprises often face challenges when it comes to retrieving structured data from such documents. We'll walk through an example of how technical users in any enterprise can build such data extraction pipelines which are highly customized to their use cases using Athena. Let's have a look. Let's have Athena extract all the structured information from this lease document. Let's see how this works under the hood. We'll navigate to all task runs from the Task Studio, and as you can see, this is the current one that we just ran. Let's see the code behind this. We'll go to the task. This brings us to the UI where you can directly enter the asset ID of the document that you wish to extract structured data from. After entering the asset ID, you can either run the script directly or schedule it to run periodically or trigger that on an event. In this case, the best example will be whenever you upload a new lease ledger document, this task would automatically run and populate your database with the extracted structured data. In the background, there's a single Python script that handles this task. We have an Athena SDK for structured data extraction, which is basically a map-reduced line graph that reliably returns the JSON schema that you have asked for. We take care of all the chunking and everything that is to be done with AI. All you need to do is define the system prompt for the extraction that you wish to perform. For example, for this particular case, we have defined what a transaction means to us and the fields that we are looking to extract, namely the date, amount, and description. Let's go to the chat and see the results. As we can see, the tool has successfully extracted all structured information which can be easily transferred to an Excel sheet. Let's see another example where we deal with this New York style manual. We'll run another tool which is basically similar to the first one, but now it will also provide citations to the source of extraction. We'll ask Athena to perform the extraction in citation mode. Meanwhile, let's have a look at the code for this one. These tools are highly accurate as long as the Pydantic object is configured correctly. As in, the object itself has a very clear definition as well as all the fields that we are looking to extract are defined correctly. Let's go back to the chat and see the results. As we can see, the tool has successfully extracted all the structured information from this long document and provided citations for where it found each of them. Finally, we can run these tasks inside sheets as well. Let's have a look. Let's create a new sheet. Executing tasks inside sheets is particularly helpful when you have lots of such documents and you want to run the same task on each document. We'll add a document by dragging it on the sheet, hitting Ctrl and dropping the document wherever required. Then we'll use the run task function to execute our task. This function takes in the task ID as input, which can be found in the Task Studio. We'll copy the task ID and pass it as an input to our function, and then we will pass the cell containing our document. As soon as we execute this cell, we can check the task runs to find out the current status of the task. As we can see, the task that we just executed is running and it will provide all the raw result and logs here. Great. As soon as the task is completed, this will turn green. You can see the results of this task by calling the unpack task records function and passing the cell that contains our task. As you can see, the task results are now present in a structured format in a spreadsheet. This is how technical users can build data extraction pipelines in Athena using just a single Python script. Thank you.